Today here's how to fix Bluetooth pairing problem on iPhone. So first launch the settings app, then tap Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on device which you connect with your iPhone. If it is not connected, then you go back to home and restart your iPhone, and then you connect any device with your iPhone. So here first trick is complete. Now go for second trick. First of all, launch the settings app, open Bluetooth. Now tap on the device which is not connected with your iPhone. Next tap on forget this device. Now here wait until your device not shown in the list. After you see your device in the list, go back to general settings. Next here scrolling down and tap general. Again here scrolling down and find the reset option. Tap reset network settings. Enter your passcode. Next tap on reset network settings. After then go to the Bluetooth and check the device. You can see here your device is connected with your iPhone. That's all.